Hey YouTube, hope you're all having a good Sunday. If you're in Alberta, it's Family Day weekend. So anyways, I'm in the shed here. I'm just trying to start the old 770 case up. It runs our grinder mixer. We grind grain up for cattle feed and just for feed and stuff. So yeah, pretty much that's all we use it for, is just for hay raking and this. So it's a pretty rare tractor. They didn't make too many of these small. It's a 267 cubic inch 4-cylinder diesel case. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's no turbo, just naturally aspirated. I think the horsepower is 68. I'm not sure. Couldn't tell you about that one right now. So yeah, I just have it on a battery charger. I was trying to start it yesterday, but I couldn't do it, so I plugged it in overnight. And we're gonna attempt a cold start right now. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, it's gonna get pretty smoky in here. I gotta open the doors. So yeah, that was a cold start of the K770. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.